Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this presentation on how to make a job-winning CV. A CV is the first thing an employer sees before meeting you. A good CV can help you get more interviews and better job opportunities. In this presentation, I will explain step by step how to write a professional CV that employers like. In today's presentation, we will learn what a CV is, why a CV is important, essential sections of a CV, writing strong experience, choosing the right format, common mistakes to avoid, and tips for a job-winning CV. Whether you are a student, a fresh graduate, or an experienced professional, these tips will help you. First, let us understand what a CV is. A CV stands for Curriculum Vitae. It's a professional document that presents personal information, career objective, education, qualifications, certifications, work experience, skills, achievements, languages, and references. A good CV helps you make a strong first impression. Show your qualification, highlight your skills, get shortlisted, and increase interview opportunities. Its purpose is to convince an employer to invite you for an interview. Before you start writing, collect your information first. In your information, this includes your educational details, your work experience, your certificates, your skills, your achievements, and any other voluntary work. And in step 2, choose the right CV format. If you are a beginner, then choose chronological CV, and if you are a professional, you can choose a functional CV. Writing personal information. Now let's talk about personal information. Always include your first full name, phone number, professional email, city and country, and avoid to include photo unless it is requested by your employee, your CNAC number or passport number, marital status, and your religion. The example of writing personal information is you can write in the left hand side your name and your job role, and in the right side of the page on the top header you can write city, country, your phone number, and your email. Keep this section simple and professional. Writing a career objective. The career objective should be short and clear. Mention your skills, your career goals, and how you can help the employer. Do not write what you want. Instead, explain what value you can bring to the company. For example, start with your designation with time period, years of experience, your role number 1, and in which office you want to do your work. Experience in you can state your tasks, and at the end a sentence about your motivation. For example, you can write office assistant with 10 years of experience supporting daily office preparation operations in educational and non-professional organizations. Experienced in preparing documents, maintaining records, filing paperwork, handling data entry, and assisting staff with routine office tasks. A dependable and organized person who enjoys keeping office work running smoothly. You can notice here that this designation is office assistant, and the time period is 10 years of experience, and in your role 1 is supporting daily office operations in educational and non-profit organization. This is also the office. You can also notice here it's written experience in preparing documents, experience in task 1, task 2, task 3, Here are written. The task 1 is preparing documents, the task 2 is maintaining records, task 3 is filing paperwork, and so on. And in the end, you can also state your motivation like a dependable and organized person who enjoys keeping office work running smoothly. Now, your education section. In this education section, include your degree, institution, graduation year, master year, GPA, it's optional, and relevant achievements. For example, you can state after heading your degree name, it should be bold, and below this line you can state institution name along with your city and country. And right in front of the degree name you can write the starting year and ending year. For example, you can follow this section. It's the degree name, and here is the institution name, city and country, and here is the starting year and ending year. Always write your latest qualification first. This makes your CV easier to read. Now, talking about work experience. For every job, write your job title, company name, working details, responsibilities, and achievements. Do not only list your daily duties. Instead, show what you achieved and how you helped the organization. Use action words like managed, developed, organized, improved, or taught. For example, here you can see in the experience section, here is your job role and your employee, institution or office name, starting month with year and ending month with year. And in bullets, you can detail your task 1 or task 2, which are your responsibilities in the office. For example, look at this section. Office assistance is the job role. ABC Foundation is the office name. City name Islamabad. And right in front of your job role, there is starting and ending. Now you can also you can also view here spotted and managed are written. So these are the strongest words to start your detailed tasks. Your skills are very important. Include both soft and technical skills. Soft skills include communication, teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. Technical skills may include Microsoft Office, Excel, Canva, programming, or graphic design. For example, here you can see in the skill section, first soft skills are written and then technical skills are written. Only include skills that are relevant to your job. If you have completed any certificates, workshops, training program, or online courses, include them in your CV. You can also mention awards and achievements. These show employers that you are willing to learn and improve your skills. Here are some of examples for you for skill certification, for publication, and for activities and interest. Now let's look at some important CV tips. Keep your CV 1 or 2 pages long, professional fonts. Always use clear headings. Leave enough white space and use bullet points. At the same time, avoid spelling mistakes, grammar errors, too much information, fancy fonts, fake information, long paragraphs, and unprofessional email addresses. A clean and simple CV always creates a better impression. Before applying on a job, Always customize it for the job. Read the job advertisement carefully, match your skills with the job requirements, add relevant keywords and highlight your related experience. Finally, check for spelling mistakes. Make sure your contact information is correct and save your CV as a PDF before sending it. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has helped you understand how to create a professional and job-winning CV. If you have any questions about CV writing, job application, or interview preparation, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you and have a great day.